Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the best practice to assign privilege mode password in Cisco switch or router. Uh, for this lesson, I use GNS3 version 2.1.3 and also Cisco ISP L2 image for viral image. Let's start the practice. Left. First, we need to go to the console, then click the console. After clicking console, we will find this console terminal. Then we need to apply some command. First, we need to enter enable command, then config terminal. Here we need to type the command enable, then press what means help. Then we need to type algorithm type. Algorithm is used for hashing to plain text enable secret password. Then press for help word command. Here we see MD5 hashing algorithm secret and SHA-256. The best hashing algorithm is script and SHA-256. So in this lesson, I am going to use SHA-256. Then press help. And then we need to type secret. Then here we need to type our password. The password maximum 25 character. So here is my password. So 1234. Then exit. Let's verify the password. So here we see our enable password. This is enable secret 8 and the SHA-256 hashing. Let's verification 2 exit. I am show you the privilege mode password. Then when we type enable, press here we see mm, they ask us the password. The password is Cisco 1234. So this is the lesson best way to uh, apply privilege mode password. And if you need the full configuration, please visit my blog AFS today, and please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need to any help of switching and routing, please comment below.